How obnoxious is that?
Is that her jaw, or is that someone knocking at the door? Well, at least if she gets lost in the dark, she can use it for echolocation purposes. But for real though, what's going on here? Well, her jaw is popping a lot. See, your jaw is a ball and socket joint, and it slides out a little bit and then slides back in when you open and close your mouth. In case due to trauma, breakage, or something, her jaw is sliding out and then popping back in when she closes her mouth. But the problem is, over time, that will wear down that bone of your jaw socket, causing a lot of issues. And over time, unfortunately, this is probably going to lead to some jaw malformations and possibly even surgery.